Namaste friend, welcome back to Kayda Vato. In today's video, we are exploring the chapter 29 of Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 titled The Judgment. In this chapter, sections explain us how the verdict is delivered, how the witnesses and victims treated, and what happened after the judgment pronounced by the court. So let's break down it. Chapter 29, The Judgment. This chapter includes section 392 through 406 and covers critical post-trial procedure from how judgments are written and communicated to compensation, victim support, witness protection and more. Section-wise breakdown in short. Section 392, this lays out what a judgment must include, detailing the decision on guilt or innocent and the reason behind it. Section 393, specific the language and content of the judgment, clear, understandable and appropriate. Section 394, empowers the court to order the notification of residence of a repeat offender up to 5 years post sentence, ensuring monitoring of serious convicts. Section 395, the court may direct fine to be used for prosecution cost or to compensate victims or their families. Thoughtful use of recovered fines. Section 396, mandates a victim compensation scheme for those who suffered loss or injury, ensuring rehabilitation and support. Section 397, requires immediate free medical care from hospitals to victims of crimes, a human provision. Section 398, introduce a witness protection scheme, securing witnesses after trial to preserve the justice system's integrity. Section 399, provides compensation for people who were groundless arrested, an important safeguard against the wrongful detention. Section 400, courts can order cost even in non-cognizable cases, helping victims of minor offences recover expenses. Section 401, allows courts to release a convicted person on prohibition or after admonition, giving a chance to reform. Section 402, requires court to record special reasons when passing certain judgment, ensuring transparency. Section 403, once the judgment is passed, the court cannot alter in later. Finality is essential for legal certainty. Section 404, ensures a copy of the judgment is given to the accused and relevant persons, promoting fairness. Section 405, requires translation of the judgment when necessary, making justice accessible to all. Section 406, obligates the sessions court to send copies of the finding and sentence to the district magistrate, ensuring administrative coordination. So friends, this was the chapter 29 of the Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, The Judgment. If you found this breakdown is useful to you, then share, like and subscribe this channel Kayda Vato. We will meet soon with next chapter. Till then, bye. Take care. Jai Hind. Stay connected with Kayda Vato. Stay updated.